Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Ford Focus 2016. Ford Fusion. Ford Fusion 2016. As you see here, the car is starting. The car have no starting issue. No starting issue. The car doesn't start. No matter what we did, the car doesn't want to start. They change all the stuff. The problem that we have it here, anytime you put a fuse on this fuse number 11, you see this here? This fuse here, it have one power and is going left to the right. It's like fuse with 3 connectors. It's the new system, you see here? Fuse with 3 connectors. So this is fuse. This side is number, the left side here is the main power coming here. It give it to the right and left side. So the left side is number 12 maybe, and this is number 11 fuse here. This fuse, this side here, it keep blowing. Anytime you put battery, you put charger, it keep blowing out. So we took everything out here. We know what it is. So we come back to the coils because it feed the coils. And when we look to the coils, look here, this is look okay. Look at this coil here. Look at this coil here. You see here, they all like almost melt and connect together. The worst one is here. Look here. Look at this wire. Look at this wire here. So they come like this, power and ground, they touch. As soon as you turn the ignition on, poof, those fuse blown. So this fuse here, as I tell you, is something like this. Please put it in consideration. If you have any problem like this fuse is keep blowing, or if you have a car with this kind of issue, or if you are working on the coil place because of the heat and cold, the weather, then you see here for all the coils, separate them, be sure that they're all good. If you cannot, change the engine harness. You know the engine harness, you can come from here. You see this is a computer, wires, and this is the engine harness. It's go all over. You can order it, put a new one, and you're good to go for another couple of years. This is for today video, short, electric.
Save it for next video.
Save it for next video.
So
yes.
now
Yeah.
the